A lot of my clients are asking what would make a killer app for Apple Vision Pro. Our quick pitch is a spatial F1 broadcast, an idea which actually earned a trophy from Lewis Hamilton himself. But most importantly, I think it's a great example of the mindset required for any of these emerging technologies. I spent my career blending visual effects and user experience to create real and fictional technologies. And I'm also a giant F1 freak. I love that Formula One is this tech-centric competition. I believe it should be the benchmark for the way we combine sports and technology. The Apple Vision Pro allows for all kinds of new experiences, but so far, most of the things I've seen emphasize content in Windows, and I want to see something that goes beyond that. Sure, I want to put Windows and data everywhere, but you can kind of already do this with the awesome Multi-Viewer app. But what if I really took advantage of both my physical viewing space and the geography of the event itself? There's something so appealing about an architectural model, but alive and in perfect sync with the reality unfolding thousands of miles away. So back in 2018, I actually submitted this concept to Formula One and was a finalist for the F1 Innovation Prize. It culminated in a weekend at the Austin Grand Prix that I will remember on my deathbed. Today, we've evolved this concept. Give me a God's eye view of the entire circuit right on my coffee table. I can glance back and forth between the broadcast and this miniature slice of reality, see every driver's precise position, compare racing lines, and most of all, understand the geography of the track, something that's almost impossible to convey on TV. Could use subtle eye tracking to place a telekinetic emphasis on the data that I'm most interested in, or let me overlay various visualizations on this 3D track. Maybe you could even go full Tony Stark with it. Now, we've seen similar concepts, but they're working under huge limitations, like replays that have to blend multiple camera feeds before being shown, or a live Toy Story NFL game using only approximate position data. But Formula One has hyper-accurate telemetry and has for years, all the way to the position of the steering wheel. And a car is much easier to render realistically than a human. I may have been a little too early in 2018. I came in second place. I was actually really bummed to miss the grand prize of $50,000, but the joke's on them. I stole their napkins. But I think we're now in the right era for this idea. I truly believe F1 is perfectly poised to set a new standard and usher in an era of volumetric sports and beyond. In these new horizons, the old paradigms, they won't apply, and I love seeing a thoughtful blend of advanced disciplines. With the right strategies, you can create experiences that are grounded and natural, but also magical. And I just can't wait to see the next era of digital experience unfold.